Embark on a journey of transforming your bathroom with us. This video provides a brief guide to the timelines of bathroom remodeling. We break down the pros and cons of DIY versus professional renovation and offer some insight into the varying costs depending on the complexity of your project. You'll discover the factors that impact the remodeling timelines, whether it's a simple cosmetic update or a complete bathroom overhaul. Also, we touch on the costs associated with each level of remodeling, from cosmetic to full-scale renovation. Don't miss our interactive cost estimation table on the website that gives you a ballpark figure for each level of bathroom makeover, unveiling the not-so-talked-about aspects of renovation, permits, codes, and compliance. We highlight why these are crucial and how ignoring them can lead to potential headaches. So go to the website and read the post to find out what you need in order to renovate your bathroom successfully. Lastly, we shed light on the benefits of professional services using a case study of Box Construction, Inc. This professional firm, with its expert design team and a fully stocked warehouse, ensures that your bathroom makeover is a breeze. Ready to revolutionize your bathroom? Check out Box Construction, Inc.'s exceptional remodeling services at the link below. In the description, you can start your hassle-free bathroom transformation journey today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment down below. We're here to make your home renovation journey easier.